I'll give you a fun fact about Charlie Run subdivision here in Aiken. You know, back in the old days, I used to be a mail carrier here in Charlie Run, and this route, Rule 21, was one of the biggest routes in downtown Aiken. Matter of fact, the route was so big that now they've taken two portions of it and have given it to other routes, Rule 24, and created an auxiliary route, Rule 25. The growth has not stopped since, y'all. Now, there's a reason for that growth here in Charlie Run, because this is a highly sought after neighborhood. It really benefits and suits all needs and all different people. Whether you're an empty nester looking to downsize, a college student going to USC Aiken, first-time home buyer transitioning to a bigger home, looking for a townhome or looking for an apartment, Charlie Run has it all, literally, and it's continuing to grow to suit those needs. So I'm here today at 617 Boone Court in the Graymore station of Charlie Run with this beautiful single-family home that I believe is perfect for you. But enough of talking. Let's take a look at the house. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you Sunday, 2 to 4.